In this video, I'll demonstrate how to test mediating effect in SmartPLS3. So here is my model. I have three variables. Very simple model where HRP means HR practices, that is my independent variable. OC means organizational commitment, and it's my mediating variable. And TP is my dependent variable, that is team performance. So before I test mediation effect, let me first examine validity and reliability measures of the model. So go to the menu bar, calculate and pick consistent PLS algorithms. So here we go. So these are the loadings. So in HRP you see all values are perfectly alright. And in case of OC, so this value is slight and lower side, and in case of TP, all values are perfectly alright. Let me review report. In report, you can verify it through outer loadings. So you see all values are perfectly alright except this one OC5, slight and lower side. That should be more than 0.7. It's at the borderline. Now coming to construct reliability and validity, so you see all values of composite reliability, they exceed minimum limit of 0.7, much higher than that. AV, average value expected, that is also fine as all values exceed the minimum limit of 0.5. Then let me examine discriminability here. You see, so the first method is formal organ criterion. So under this, so you see all values falling on the diagonal sides, 0.803, 0.780, 0.841, they all, so they are higher than all values falling in the corresponding rows and columns. So discriminability is established. We can validate it through HTMT test. If you look at here, so all values are perfectly alright, as all values are less than 0.85. So that means discriminability is established. Lastly, we can examine model fit also. So the first one is SRMR, so quite fine, no issue. And second one is NFI, all values exceed the minimum limit of 0.9. So model fit is also established. Now let me examine the indirect effect. So here it is, indirect effect. So the indirect effect of HRP on TP is 0.224. It's positive and it's 0.224. It's sizable amount. Now I'm interested to find out whether this effect is statistically significant or not. If it is found statistically significant, that would mean mediating effect of OC between HRP and TP would be statistically significant. And if it's found non-significant, that would mean there's no mediation. You know how to test it. So go to the menu bar, calculate, and then run bootstrapping. So go to report and see first one, indirect effect. So look at here. So here is the p-value of indirect effect. So that is less than 0.05. That means the indirect effect of HRP and TP is statistically significant. That means there is significant mediation effect between HRP and TP. If you are interested to find out whether this mediation is partial or full, then you need to look at path coefficients. Look at here. So here it is direct effect HRP to TP. So it is also statistically significant. So that means with the addition of mediator, the impact of HRP on TP means the impact of independent variable on the dependent variable, it's still significant. So that shows that there is partial mediation. So this is how you can run mediation analysis in SmartPLS3. Thanks for watching.